What is up, guys, and thank you for tuning in if you're watching this. I'm trying to try something new here. I've been currently watching a lot of vlogging on YouTube lately, so I decided why not try my hand at it as well. Maybe kind of share what I do for fun. I feel like I do a lot of four-wheeler stuff and truck stuff, and maybe bring some other people some entertainment as well. So I'm currently here at my family shop where we have a lot of things going on here, a lot of four-wheelers and cars and some cool go-karts back over there. Just a lot of, there's a lot of stuff, but we have a lot of fun over here, and it's kind of our hangout spot for the whole family with uncles and cousins and things like that. Today I figured I'd start with my truck. I have been doing some work to it. I plan on doing a lot more this summer. I'm planning on some color matching. I just already have some color matching here with the Cadillac Escalade door handles. I plan on doing the front bumper, like the plastic piece of the front bumper this summer yet. And let's see, yeah, I thought about some wheels and tires. I did have a set of 20x9 American Eagle alloy wheels on some Mastercraft tires. However, I did kind of grow tired of them really quick. I didn't really care for the setup. I'm not much of a 20-inch tire setup guy. I like I'm more of an off-roader, so that's why I kind of went with the Hummer H2 wheels with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack tires. They're working out well as far as getting in and out of the ATV rallies I like to go to and towing. However, they are a little noisy on the highway, and I have been daily driving this truck. I sold my winter beater daily car, and I'm looking for a new one, but I've been enjoying this truck all summer, so I figured maybe I'd go with the setup to enjoy this summer and something cool again, try something different. So I will reveal them at the end of the episode. Towards the end of the episode, I will go put them on now. So I just kind of want to give a good intro of my truck. You grab the jack here without showing you the wheels. Okay, fighting with the jack. I'm gonna set you down here for this. Try not to show the wheels. Okay, get this thing jacked up. There we go. Now with these Hummer wheels, really cool. I actually used the center caps off of my stock PYO wheels. So they just kind of thread on really quick. So I'll get all these off, and then I'll get the air gun and start taking these wheels off. I'll just set this over here for now. Store those away in the garage after this. Okay. Save those for later. All right, everything is complete now. The wheels and tires are on. As you can see, the sun is starting to go down. I mean, just in time. And then the Hummer wheels are sitting here. So this looks awesome. So I've been really wanting to try a setup like this for a while. I'm more of the off-road guy, but I wanted to really kind of do this just for driving to work and things, just looking cool, maybe going to some shows. I do like going to Superfly here in Akron every once in a while. So I guess I'll go ahead and let me first say, this is kind of what happens when you start watching Greg A and you start thinking race truck. You know, you get the tuning, all of a sudden you want some cool wheels and tires to go with it. So I guess I'll reveal it now. There you go. I did the 20x10 Anthems with Nitto 420s. I want to try Nitto 420s for a while. I figured they'd be a really cool setup. One with a 305 50/20. So the tire and rim book says these are made are the best kind of fit together with a 10-inch wide wheel. There's absolutely no stretch at all. Just look at that stance. Now the truck is absolutely filthy as well, and those of you who know me know I hate a filthy truck, but Ohio this time of year is terrible. You have pollen and rain like crazy, and it's just impossible to keep a clean truck, especially when you're driving it to work every day. So I'm gonna go ahead and check the air pressure on these, and then thank you for tuning in, and tune in next time, and I will possibly get this thing detailed up whenever the weather breaks a little bit. It's supposed to rain all the rest of the week, so next video I'll probably get some nice action shots of it, and yeah, maybe put a little compilation together, and then I will be doing a review on my EFI Live soon. I think I might send some data logs to back to Ridge Runner, just maybe tune it a little bit for me, keep myself happy. So thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for future content. I'll be doing stuff with side-by-side riding, camping. Of course, I should mention camping too. I will not probably be running these when I go camping, and because I don't want to be stuck in the middle of the field, I will throw the Duratrax back on. These Duratrax can be awesome on and off-road tires. They're not super aggressive mud tire to where it just beats you up on the highway. They're more of a light mud tire, heavy all-terrain, so they are decent on the highway. They're a little noisy, but they still do awesome in the mud for what I do, just kind of going through grass and stuff. I've never got this truck stuck with those wheels and tires. My old ones, my old Mastercraft all-terrains, I got stuck all the time trying to go pull campers out of my dad's backyard and things like that. So stay tuned for future content, and thanks for watching.